Good day guys, welcome. Want to sell your wallpapers, ringtones or NFTs to over 30 million Zedge users? Becoming a Zedge premium seller is your ticket to cash in on your art. We'll walk you through the 3 easy steps to set your seller account. So firstly, step number 1, sign up for a Zedge account. It's very easy, you just visit their website. As you can see, I'm already on it. Becoming a Zedge premium seller is your ticket to cash in on your art. Don't forget about that. So after that, to start, you need to, of course, download the Zedge app from the Google Play or App Store. Click sign up and use your email, Google or Facebook to create an account. After that, verify your phone number or email with the one-time code send. This sets up your basic profile and takes just 2 minutes. Also guys, keep your details accurate to avoid issues later. After that, apply as a premium seller. You need to go to marketplace.zedge.net. So this is what the page will look like. After that, of course, you need to sign in with your Zedge credentials. Click become a contributor and fill out the application form with your name, email and tax details. Upload at least 6 original content items like wallpapers or ringtones. Ensure they meet Zedge's community standards for quality and originality. Submit and wait for approval, usually within 48 hours. Step number 3. You need to set up your artist profile. Once approved, you need to go to your Zedge Marketplace dashboard, click Add a Artist, and choose a unique artist name under 22 characters. Upload a square profile image, 500 to 500 pixels, ideally a sample of your work, and add a bio and tags to boost discoverability. After that, publish your artist page with at least 1 active content item to go live. And that's it. Now your Zedge seller account is ready to earn in this year. Share your creations and watch the downloads roll in. Got tips for Zedge success? Drop them below in the comment section, hit like and subscribe for more creator hacks. Catch you next time.